Today we talk about how can you enable basic functionality on your MetaMask app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on security and privacy here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just keep going down here. So then you just come here to basic functionality here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean basic functionality. It's disabled with us now. But after that, you have to click here on understand. And I want to continue. You click on turn off. Then it's going to disable with you here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.